Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning students. Hello my dear students. Today you are going to learn chapitre 6, le ciel bleu, le parc vert, the blue sky, the green park. In this lesson you will learn the conjugation of the verb aller means to go, colors and seasons in French. After learning this lesson, you will be able to speak about the seasons and how to apply the adjective of colors in French. So, let us start chapitre 6. As you know that each and every time Paul and Sarah share some interesting facts about France with us. So let us see in this lesson what they are going to share with us.
Hey Sarah, did you know the origin of the International Picnic Day is related to the French Revolution?
Oh, it's quite possible as picnic was invented by the French. Have a look at this image and think about it. What is there in this image? I am going to tell you about this image in French. Il fait jour, il fait beau, le ciel est bleu. Dans le ciel, il y a un peu de nuages blancs, mais le soleil brille. Je vais au parc. Dans le parc, il y a des arbres et des herbes. Dans les arbres, il y a des fleurs roses et rouges et des feuilles vertes, des papillons oranges et jaunes, roses, des oiseaux violets chantent, le soleil se couche, il fait nuit, le parc est sombre, le silence est partout. Tous les jours et en toutes les saisons, je vais au parc, j'aime le parc. It is day, the weather is good, the ciel is blue, in the sky there are some a little white clouds, but the sun is shining. I go to the park. In the park there are some trees and some herbs. In the trees there are some flowers are rose and their color is red, and some leaves are green. Some butterflies orange and yellow are flying. Some violet birds singing. The sun is setting. It is night. The park is going to dark and everywhere is silent. All the day and all the seasons I am going to park. I love the park. Let us see the conjugation of the verb ale means to go. As you know, the conjugation is the modification of the verb. So we are modifying the verb according to the subject. So let us see. Shave, Chuva, Ilva, Elva, Nuzalon, Vuzale, Ilvon, Elvon. Où vas-tu? Where are you going?
Je vais à l'école. I am going to school. Où allez-vous? Where are you going?
Nous allons aussi à l'école. We are also going to the school. Here is a rhyme. Les papillons, the butterflies. Un papillon bleu, un papillon rouge. Un papillon tremble, un papillon bouge. Un papillon rose qui vole et se pose. Un papillon d'or qui tremble et s'endort. A blue butterfly, one red butterfly. One butterfly is moving from here to there. One butterfly moves. One pink butterfly which is flying and take a pose, and one golden butterfly which move side by side and up and down, and he fall asleep. Les couleurs, colors. As you know, in French, everything has gender, masculine or feminine. Same for the colors. So, now let us see the colors. First, I will say masculine form, then feminine. Blanc, blanche. Bleu, bleu. Brun, brune. Gris, grise. Indigo, indigo. Jaune, jaune. Noir, noir. Rose, rose. Rouge, rouge. Vert, vert. Violet, violet. Marron, marron. Orange, orange. To form the feminine of a color, we add an E to its masculine form. To form the plural of a color, an S is added to its singular form. Orange and marron remain the same in all the forms as they are invariable. Observez. Le ciel bleu, la fleur rouge, la feuille verte, les papillons orange. C'est une boîte jaune ou la boîte est jaune. This is a yellow box or the box is yellow. Ce sont des raisins verts ou les raisins sont verts. So here in French, the adjective of colors are put after the noun. Okay? Ce sont des chapeaux bleus. There are or here are some blue caps. Ou or les chapeaux sont bleus. The caps are blue. Ce sont des crayons blanches. These are some white chalks. Or les crayons sont blanches. The chalks are white. Les saisons. En France, il y a 4 saisons. In France, there are 4 seasons. L'été, summer, l'hiver, winter, l'automne, autumn, le printemps, spring. L'automne, en automne, les feuilles tombent, il fait du vent. Autumn, in autumn, the leaves are falling and the weather is windy. Le printemps, au printemps, il y a beaucoup de fleurs, il fait beau. Spring, in the spring, there are lots of flowers. The weather is good. To form the feminine of a color, we add an E to its masculine form. To form the plural of a color, an S is added to its singular form. Orange and marron remain the same in all the forms as they are invariable. Observez, le ciel bleu, la fleur rouge, la feuille verte, les papillons orange. Le vocabulaire au printemps, en automne, en été, en hiver, beaucoup de, dans le jardin, il neige, lève, la boîte, la craie. Ce sont des chapeaux bleus. There are or here are some blue caps. Ou or les chapeaux sont bleus. The caps are blue. Ce sont des crayons blanches. These are some white chalks. Or les crayons sont blanches. The chalks jaune, noir, rose, rouge, vert, violet, marron, orange. Merci. Au revoir.